Hi, today I would like to share with you how to calculate or find the areas of circles and sectors. I will go over the area formula, then I will do a couple of practice problems. Let's start with the area formula for the circle. The area is pi r square. Next, the area formula for a sector. The sector is only a small portion of the whole circle. So when we compare, it's going to become a ratio. We take part of a circle, which is a sector. We compare to the area of a whole circle. We take area of a sector compared to pi r square, which is the full circle. Next, we take the central angle of a sector. We compare to the whole circle, which is 360 degrees. And the central angle sometimes labeled measurement of arc AB, or could be any other letters. We could use this formula, or we could cross multiply pi r square to generate the next formula. Either way, both formulas will work. I tend to use the one on the right hand side. Practice problem number 1. Find the area. How do I solve the problem? First, I need to write down what information is given. I need to write down what I need to find. First, I start with the area formula, pi r square. Next, I do substitution. The radius equals 8, so I substitute in 8. 8 squared is 64, so 64 times pi. The answer is 64 pi inches squared. Now, sometimes the answer can be in a decimal form as well. Both answers will work. Problem number 2. Find the area. How do I solve the problem? I write down the given information and write down what I need to find. I start with the formula, pi r square. I do substitution 3.8 for radius. I get the answer 14.44 pi centimeter square, or 45.36 centimeter square. Problem number 3. How do I solve the problem? I write down the given information. I write down what I need to find. I start with the formula, pi r square. I do substitution. Radius equals 31. I substitute 31. I get the answer 961 pi feet square, or 3019.07 feet square. Problem number 4. Find the area. How do I solve the problem? I write down the given information and what I need to find. For this problem, I am given a diameter which equals 8. Half a diameter is a radius equal 4 meters. I start with the formula pi r square. I do substitution. 4 for radius. I get 16 pi as my answer, or I get 50.27 meters square. Problem 5. Find the area of this sector. How do I solve the problem? First, I write down the given information. Radius equals 4. The measurement of arc CD is 80. I need to find the area. First, I write down the formula. Next, I do substitution. 80 degrees for the measurement of arc CD. Radius equals 4. Next, I simplify 80 over 360 by dividing the top and bottom by 40 to get 2 over 9. Next, I take 2 times 16, which is 32. So the answer is 32 over 9 pi feet square. Or I get decimal answer 11.17 feet square. Problem 6. Find the area of this sector. How do I solve the problem? I write down the given information. Radius equal 10. The angle is 70 degrees. I need to find the area. I start with the area formula. I replace the measurement of arc AB with 70 degrees, radius with 10. Next, I simplify 70 over 360 by dividing the top by 10, the bottom by 10 to get 7 over 36. 10 squared equal 100. Next, I could multiply 7 times 100 or simplify 100 over 36, which is 25 over 9. Next, I take 7 times 25, which is 175, so the final answer is 175 over 9 pi meters square, or I get a decimal answer 61.09 meters square. Problem number 7. Find the area. How do I solve the problem? I start with the given information. Radius equal 12 meters. The angle is 90 degrees. I need to find the area. I start with the formula. I substitute 90 degrees and 12. I simplify 90 degrees over 360 by dividing top 90 and bottom 90. I get 1 over 4. Next, I take 144 divided by 4, which equals 36 over 1. So the final answer is 36 pi meters square, or a decimal answer 113.10 meters square. Problem 8. Find the area. How do I solve the problem? I start with the given information. Radius equals 16. The angle is 135 degrees. I need to find the area. I start with the formula. Substitute in 135 degrees and 16 for the radius. I simplify 135 degrees over 360 by dividing the top by 45 and bottom by 45. I get 3 over 8. Next, I take 256 divided by 8, which is 32 over 1. Next, I take 3 times 32, which is 96. So the final answer is 96 pi meters square, or a decimal answer 301.59 meters square. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I hope it was helpful for you. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.